How to increase lock screen time on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase lock screen timeout on Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on lock screen. And now here under the lock screen section, you can see the option labeled as sleep. So simply tap on that. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From here, options typically range from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. So here you can choose the time that you want to change to. For this video, I'm going to simply change to 10 minutes. And here, once you have changed it, you have extended your screen timeout. And that's it. That's how you can increase lock screen time on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.